3 hours flight from Shenzhen, China to Bangkok, Thailand. We arrived in at 6 p.m. and here's a train station, so you can buy a checkin for about
45 baht.
45 baht. That's like $1.50 USD. And our station, which we are at A1 and 8 stops, we get to A8 Pai Thai. That's where our hotel at. Immigration was super fast, and there's no extra charge for Chinese or American, so it's all like free, no visa required. Here they are very strict about that, so passengers get down first before new ones go on. So you wait for 2 minutes. I like that. Oh, are they gonna leave?
No, security check. They're gonna check all the bags, make sure everything.
Check the train?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. So
Everybody gets off, they check everything. You go to.
every single time?
Looks like that.
Oh, there's a guy locked in it. Oh
Oh
no.
no, he's a driver.
Oh, okay. Oops. So interesting. They close the train after it arrives at the final destination. Then they let us on. Oh, it's pretty packed, really quick. This, from one end to the other, there's no express line today. Probably it's too late. They closed it. It's about 7 p.m. So we take the slow one, which is the blue lane, and it's gonna be like 1 hour. 1 hour on the train, 8 stops. It only took us 40 minutes to get from one end to the other on the train, so super convenient for $1.50 ride. And now we're gonna walk to our hotel, 5 minutes. This is how you pass a train station. And it's really nice. They have Chinese everywhere. Ow. It's okay. Thank you. More stairs. Wow, it's so empty. It's from the airplane, from the airport. There were not many people. What?
Sci-fi.
Sci-fi? He said this is a sci-fi station. It's amazing they built this huge thing. It's so industrial. This is your favorite style for a bedroom, right?
Yeah.
You can live here. It's only 35 degrees and 70% humid.
You can wear shorts all year round.
Yeah, you can wear shorts. You can wear slippers, shorts, shirts, and shower 5 times a day. So our hotel is only 5 minutes from the station, but first we have to find it, which will probably take us 20 minutes or longer. This is a big station. I think they are really clean, very organized. People not loud. And most importantly, most people here are skinny and girls are cute. $7-Eleven everywhere. It's there's no garbage. I didn't see any garbage so far. Super clean. Huh? Unicorn. Okay, this is our hotel.
So we couldn't find it. It's not like a street level walking thing. It's connected to the station, so it's convenient. You
Yeah.
don't have to walk down the street with the traffic.
Yeah.
Show the traffic over there.
Yeah. Well, it looks like a fun, like party city, right? And rush hour. Today is Monday. There's a in front of the hotel. Our hotel is Easting Grand Phaya Thai.
Little restaurant.
Very,
Bistro thing.
yeah, very cute. I like it. Dude, it's cleaner than Shenzhen and Guangzhou by a lot. Huh? Yeah. Wow. I would get so lost if I come here alone. Oh, I guess this is the lobby. Here's our luggage. Free advertisement for Tumi. This one, 10 years. This one, like what, 3 years? See, cute girls here, everywhere.
Check-in. 2 people. Same as passport.
There. Easting Grand Hotel, Phaya Thai. That's the name. The room we booked is $250 a night, including the lunch. So free alcohol. All right, the nice lady is giving us a tour to the lounge and breakfast area. So another nice lady is helping us. Thank you.
This is a welcome drink. It's a peppermint tea.
So when we came into the lounge, they already have the mint tea ready for us. The lounge is 24/7. The happy hour is 5:30 to 7:30. They said.
An executive lounge here. It starts from 5:30 and
This elevator.
but you have to change from this floor first.
Okay.
How can I? Really? We're gonna lose that really soon.
Floor 29.
Feels good.
Elevator is going up.
Just stay in it or the
Yeah, they have a 15% discount, she said. Is it? And get the massage, order the massage, or we just go to their spa, right? We can go check
So
it out.
37 is the.
It's the
Oh,
spa.
you have to go to the other one.
Oh, it smells like honey here. Right?
Yeah.
So, oh, yeah.
501.
Let's check out the room. Smell like honey. Thank you. Oh, nice. Very roomy. Wow, a tub right next to the big window. Oh, wow. You can see all the... Oh, I like it. Okay. Pretty nice for $250 a night. There's no weird smell in the room. That's very important. Let's see the view outside. There's still lots of traffic. Now it's about 8 p.m. pretty good. There's a espresso machine, some tea. Okay, wine glass. There's a fridge. I don't know if there's water. And from the bedroom, you can go to the bathroom here. This is the brand they use. Okay, bathroom is okay. Tub is really nice. It's right next to the big window. You can look outside. It's really nice at night.